Portuguese chicken. Oh, it is a true delight, and you're going to show us how to make it with the whole bird.
Yeah, it does. Yep. This recipe is really easy and simple. I think people get a little bit worried when they're cooking chicken, yeah? But a whole bird, like this little one here, is really easy. Easy,
that's what we like to hear here.
Splitting the bird, okay? So you flip it over, okay, and we're just going to go through the back.
Yep. This is also called spatchcocking, and I think this is a really great technique for the home cook to be able to do, because just like that, with one movement of the knife, you've cut on one side of that backbone, and then the other side.
Take the bone out, the backbone straight through there, so that goes, you could keep that for a stock.
Yes. Yeah? Yep. And that's as easy as like 3 movements and you've done that. So
it's ready.
Good.
Yeah. Ready to go. But now we need to marinate it. Now this is a key, okay? Marinade. So we have some cayenne pepper, paprika, some brown sugar and some oregano. So we're going to mix them all together.
That's about a tablespoon of each.
Yeah, about right.
And brown sugar, that's interesting.
Yes, that little bit of obviously sweetness and helps caramelise obviously the skin when we're grilling it.
Okay.
Oh, I like this. I like when you do this. No need for the knife. This is awesome.
Oh, it's just so much easier, isn't it? A bit of garlic. Fantastic. Zest?
Zest, yes.
Okay, zest it is.
Now, everyone has their own recipe, I guess, you know, marinade for Portuguese. This is mine. I find that it works well. Cayenne pepper, if you're not a fan of that heat, you could substitute that out and just put just maybe a little touch of, I don't want to say it, tomato sauce, but, you know, something different. But it does need that little bit of spice being Portuguese.
All right. Nice. Any juice, or we use that for later?
No, we use that for later.
Okay, here we go.
Perfect. Now, enough olive oil just to basically bring it together to make that paste.
Okay. And any salt at this stage?
No, we're going to season the bird when it gets into the actual pan.
Okay, how's that?
Very nice.
Just give that a little bit of a whisk.
Yeah, give that a good mix. All right, Juz. Tray.
Tray?
Yes.
Here we go.
Flip it over, pour it in. Come on, Juz, I'll get my hands dirty for you.
Yeah, I don't want to get my hands dirty. On both sides, is it going?
Yeah, both sides.
So just keep a little bit here.
Just give it a good rub in.
Yeah.
Get underneath that skin.
Oh, it smells so good. That simple marinade is so easy to make, and most of those ingredients you'd have in your pantry, all those dried spices that are sitting there, it's a really great way to use them up. I know I've got loads of paprika and dried oregano. This is a fantastic recipe for it.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, so normally we'd let that sit for 3-4 hours, but we're going to get it into the grill today. Nice hot pan. Now, not skin side down, we go the bone side, the back way first, all right?
Yep.
Reason why? That way the heat starts to go through, okay, and gets the core temperature where we need it to be, and then we'll finish it on that beautiful breast inside down.
So you could do this on a barbecue too?
Oh, on a barbecue, perfect. Little campfire, get the grill out, if you go camping. Oh, yeah.
That's a great idea. So, Swanee, roughly how long is this going to take to cook?
It's going to take around 8 to 10 minutes on each side, and then we're going to allow it to sit and just rest in the pan.
Smells good in here.
Yeah, it looks good. Look at that, Juz.
So good.
Just allowed it to sit in there for a couple of minutes just so it can rest, the chicken, pick it up.
Oh, lovely.
So we're just going to split the leg, like so, from the breast, straight through the middle. Easy as.
So easily, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And I've just been slicing some onion for our lovely little salad to serve with it, and some lemon.
Yeah, just lemon, just to finish off over the top, just helps the acid will cut through the spiciness of that cayenne pepper.
Oh, that is a seriously good dish. Chicken, we should just throw it in the oven and just roast it. No. It's all about grilling, right?
It is. And not hard at all. A little pinch of salt to finish is always my little tip.
And I really love how you've shown everyone how to spatchcock or flatten that chicken, because it just cuts the cooking time and you get beautiful results every time. Serve it with a lovely salad. Swanee, it's done it again.